Welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. I would like to use this opportunity to thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel newly. God bless you for subscribing and for sharing and then commenting. Today we're going to be learning a new song by the Loveworld singers, No One Like You. And I'm going to be teaching you in the key of F and then modulate into the key of F sharp. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you the chords in the key of F and then in the chords in the key of F sharp. Alright, now before then, if you are a beginner, this channel is tailored for you. You know, I teach beginners how to use the simple chords that they make or learn into playing songs. So I'm not going to be doing anything advanced in the song so that you can follow. But if you don't understand anything, I have a beginner course in my description box. You can click on it. It will take you to a beginner course that has like 53 videos into it. I update it as I keep on teaching. Alright, so when you go there, you'll be able to learn all the 12 keys into details. Every key has 3 videos so that you can practice along. But you can also follow this tutorial. I'm going to be showing the chords to you. Alright, so let's get into it. The song starts on a chord 1. You are the God. Ta-da-da-da. To a chord 4. So this is your chord 4. Back to your chord 1. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Alright, you are the God. You are good with this, or you can do so this is what I did. I played a chord 6, a chord 7, a chord 1. Now the 6 and 7 are passing chords. You know, they are what the major chords that we need to play in this song is a 1 and then a 4 for the beginning. So before I reach the 1, I can play a 6, 7, 1, and then before I play the 4, I can play a chord 3. So you are the God. Alright, so after showing you all this, I'm going to put all the pieces together, play the song, and then play along so that you can, you know, put all the pieces together. So you are the God. That's the last part. To worship you. Alright, so I play a sus 2 chord. I know you'll be seeing a sus 4, but I'm playing in a key of F. And in a key of F, this is my sus 2. Alright, so I'm just C at the base. That's why you are seeing it as a sus 4. Because with C, it's 1, 4, 5 is a sus 4. Alright, so that's a chord 5 in the key of F. So you are the God. Now, in moving to a chord 4, there are things that you can do. You can play this. That's a minor 7th chord, or you play a 5 over the flat 7. Alright, so you are the you're the God of no one like you. So what we did was, you are the God 1, then we moved to the 5. Now the 5, we play 5 at the bass, and then you play a flat 7 chord like this, creating a minor 7. And with a minor 7, you can go to 4 straight, or you come to 1 before your 4. So in this application, we can play a 1 or a 3 at the base with a 1 on the right, Let me do the 2 for you to see. You are the God of Abraham, Isaac. You see 3 and then 1 to 4. Or you are the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. No one like you. Or you can simply play it. You are the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. No one like you. No one like you. Your chord 5. No one like you. Chord 4. Alpha and Omega. Back to 1. No one like you. Chord 5. No one like you. Great and mighty God. Then the next part. Healer, provider, wonderful, chord 4. Always doing wonders, answers to prayers. Everything you do is awesome. So I did a chord 5, then a 3 into 4. So everything you do is awesome. Everything you are is awesome. Everything you do is awesome. Everything you are is awesome. Back to 1. So my God is awesome. Chord 5. Then you play chord 4. My God is awesome. Then the last part you do Jesus. That's chord 5. You are righteous. Chord 4. You are beautiful. So you do a chord 6 and then a chord 5. Alright. So this is how I'm playing my 5. I'm suspending it. Right. Or you can just play a normal 5. So Jesus, you are holy, you are righteous, you are beautiful. Master, ta-da-da-da, you are precious in. Then we're going to modulate a simple modulation. You look for the 5th chord of the key of F sharp and then you play it before you come to 1. So this is the 5th chord and then 1. So let me do the modulation again. An issue with this note, it's not sounding. So these are the bass or chord 6. Then you come to chord 2. You are precious. Now I did something like this. I just played a 1, 7, 6, 5, 2, 4, sorry, 5, and then basically that's the whole song. Thank you for being a part of this tutorial. God bless you. See you in the next tutorial, and there's more for you on this channel, so keep on visiting and keep on watching the videos. God bless you.